Okay friends, sorry we've got a real windy day today. It might be hard to hear me, but we've got a 2017 Range Rover HSE. This is the V8 Supercharged version. It's got 71,000 miles, very well taken care of, immaculate condition. Fuji white with black interior, 21-inch wheels. Has the climate comfort package front and rear, which is heated and cooled seats front and back. Also has the front massage seats. Does have power running boards. You can see out right there, I just opened it. Really nice interior. Very clean, non-smoker. We've got all the books. We've got original window sticker. The tires are like new on this. Don't need tires, not even close. It's got the rubber floor mats. It's got the front center console cooler. Vision assist package. Tow package, you can see under there. It's a very expensive option from the dealer to have the tow package. Does have the Meridian premium audio at 825 watt. Heated wood leather steering wheel. Black headliner. It's got the 360 park aid, 360 surround view camera. Blind spot monitor, of course. No dents or scratches on this. See there the controls for the rear seats. These do recline. Zero power boards here. There's really no wear on this seat at all. Clean Carfax. Nice wood steering wheel. Just can't beat a Range Rover. My wife drives one just like this. Very comfortable, very soft ride. Give us a call, text, email, go to the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Get all more information and pictures there. But give us a call on this one. It's a really nice truck. You don't need to do anything to it. It's ready to go. Talk soon.